Hey guys, welcome back to another video of VI Tech Academy YouTube channel. My name is Ratul and I'm your host for today's video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss about how you can create stunning images using ChatGPT. Yes, now ChatGPT can help you to create stunning images. And the best part is you can create images for free and you can use it anywhere. Additionally, we will discuss two important accessibility updates of ChatGPT. I hope this video is going to be very interesting and informative. To learn more about the new feature and the accessibility updates, keep watching this video till the end. Okay guys, now we have total 3 updates, 2 accessibility update and also one more update, which is like ChatGPT is now capable to generate images for free. Yes, I'm not going to talk about the ChatGPT Plus version. I'm going to talk about ChatGPT 4o, which is ChatGPT 4 Omni version, which you get for a limited time per day. So let's see how we can generate images, and along with this we can also find the 2 accessibility features of ChatGPT. So they are also important, and image generation is also important. So let's start. You can generate image using ChatGPT mobile application as well as ChatGPT web app or the web version. So let me open my browser.
New tab, Google Chrome.
And here I am typing ChatGPT.
chat.
I'm in chat.openai.com or chatgpt.com, whatever. So now my ChatGPT is opened. To see the accessibility update, first I'm just asking a question about, okay, so let me ask a question. Who is VI? Okay, so I'm asking, tell me about some interesting facts of ChatGPT. Okay, I'm asking this question. Now once I press enter, listen to the screen reader carefully.
ChatGPT is generating a response.
Yes, this is the first, like ChatGPT is generating the response you will get, and when it is completed you can listen that ChatGPT
is still generating a response.
Okay, it is still, let's wait.
ChatGPT is still generating a response.
Okay, the response is generating.
ChatGPT is still generating a response.
Okay, let's wait.
ChatGPT is still generating a response.
Okay.
ChatGPT says, here are some interesting facts about ChatGPT. 1. Language learning from data ***. ChatGPT is trained using vast amounts of text data from the internet, learning language patterns, grammar, facts, and even some reasoning. However, it doesn't have personal experiences or emotions. Its responses are generated based on patterns it learned from the data. 2. Contextual understanding ***. ChatGPT can maintain context over a... Okay, so now you can get like you can chat easily and you can get the proper responses. Additionally, if you want to access this by using up arrow down arrow, earlier days what we need to do is we need to press up arrow and then we need to reach out to the response. Now you can get the response under the heading level 5. So here I am pressing shift plus 5. 5 means above QWERT. So 1 2 3 4 5. I'm pressing no previous heading at level 5.
Okay, no previous heading level at 5.
ChatGPT said.
See, ChatGPT said. Okay, if you are not getting like no previous, so just go to next and then
tell
see.
me heading level 5 ChatGPT
said. So you get ChatGPT said.
Here are some interesting facts about
so
ChatGPT.
Now this is the response.
List with 10 items 1.
So this is another very interesting accessibility update. Now let's come to this image generation feature. I don't know whether it will work or not, so let's see. First of all, let me copy the prompt.
Message chat.
So I have copied the prompt and let me paste it and send it.
ChatGPT is generating a response.
Just wait.
ChatGPT is still generating a response.
Okay.
ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, I've created the image of a turned-on laptop with the text v.iTech Academy written above it. You can view it right here.
Okay, now our image is generated. So let me show you how you can download it. So let's explore. Again, I'm going to do the results.
ChatGPT set. Heading level 5. ChatGPT set. Button collapsed. Opens dialog. Show image.
Show image. See.
I created the image of a turned-on laptop with the text v.iTech Academy written above it. You can view it right here. Clickable button space.
Okay, so show image. So let me expand this button.
Dialog. Close modal button.
And now
button,
see this image
button,
is
like
showing.
Graphic area. Button like image. Button dislike image. Button download
Like
image.
image.
Button toggle sidebar.
Dislike image. Okay.
Graphic interface. Above the laptop in clear and bold letters. The text v.
So now here you can see the ChatGPT's update the image along with the description. See.
Button like image. Button dislike image. Button download image. Button toggle sidebar. Graphic a realistic image of an open laptop with its screen turned on, showing a clean and modern graphic interface. Above the laptop in clear and bold letters, the text v.iTech Academy is written. The graphic setting should be simple with the focus on the laptop and the text above it, making it the central graphic element of the image. Prompt.
Okay, see this
a
is the
realistic
prompt.
image of an open laptop with its screen turned on, showing a clean and modern
So ChatGPT is also modernized its prompt. That's
interface.
good.
Above setting should be simple with the focus on the laptop and the text above it, making it the central
Let's read it again.
element of the image. Button
Okay.
copy.
So you can copy the prompt.
Button copy.
Okay, that's it. So now let me download
Button.
the image. To download the image, I'm just going to top and then press tab.
Like image button. Dislike image. Download image button.
Click on download image.
Save as dialog. File name. Combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus N selected. DALL-E 2024-08-14.
Yes, ChatGPT is using like DALL-E version. Now let me just rename it
Select
v.i underscore Tech Academy
Tech.
and save it to our
I
downloads
today
folder.
grouping expanded. A Nikram Nutzel. Chat downloading v.iTech Academy.web. 0% remaining alert. Download.
Okay, so now the image has been downloaded to our system. We will check this image with Be My AI that whether the image is correct or not. So let me open Be My AI.
Start window. Level 1. Be my eyes. Be my eyes. Be my eyes window. Describe my screen.
Now I'm just taking that photo.
Be my AI. Oh, I today grouping expand. Yesterday grouping today. Today today grouping expanded. Yesterday grouping expand. Today group. Yes, granted academy. Last week bill.jp. Last month certificate. Mans fit.cyber. Date mod cyber fit master. Last week grouping expanded. Bill.jpg 3 of 7. Date mod of bill.be my.
Okay, somehow I cannot get the image. So let me go to the downloads
Run
folder.
dialogues. Downloads. Download a Nikram 2 of v.iTech Academy.web 1 of 28.
Okay, so-
Lang. Today.
So this is our image.
Select
So I'm
an app
just
to open
opening
this
it.
list. Suggested apps grouping 1 of 2. Brave. New suggested app. Brave. Google Chrome. Movie Maker. New Microsoft Paint. 5 photos 6 of 6. Just once button. Always but download.
So I'm just
iPhotos,
opening it
Paint,
using-
v.iTech Academy.
Photos.
Paint focused.
Now I just use Alt Control H.
Be my eyes.
Now let's see.
Please wait. Be my AI is writing a message. The image shows a File Explorer window open to the Downloads folder. Inside this folder there are several files listed, including vitechacademy.web, which is selected. The selected file is displayed in a preview window to the right, showing an image of a laptop with the text v.iTech Academy on the screen. Additionally, there is a web browser window open and
Okay, so this is enough for us because we don't need this. By the way, you need to convert this file to JPG or PNG for your personal use. So I hope you can easily do it. So that I'm not going to show you. So this is how you can easily create beautiful and stunning images using ChatGPT. And ChatGPT uses DALL-E 3 model, and DALL-E 3 model is designed by Google. So you can generate 3 images per day, 2-3 images per day for free. So if you need more images, you can take ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT Plus. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this content useful, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you have any doubts, queries, feel free to type into the comment section. If you are new on this channel, subscribe to VI Tech Academy for more useful tutorials. Press the bell icon, choose all notifications so you will never miss any upload. If you want to join us, you can join our channel as a member, as well as you can connect us on WhatsApp and Telegram. Don't forget to join our WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. There we will always share new updates. You can also follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook for more updates. If you want to join our certified online courses, visit our website from the About page. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.